Welcome to A Guide to Self-Improvement. The following tutorials will offer foolproof advice to achieve your goals. So, you want to learn how to be cool? Follow these simple steps to achieve true coolness. Step 1. Smile! Come on, show me those pearly whites. Some more! Here, let me just... Perfect. Step 2. Be a good conversation partner. Is that all you got, bro? Step 3. Up your fashion game. No truly cool outfit is complete without a leather jacket and a dope pair of shades. Now that's a cool dude if I've ever seen one. So, you want to learn how to be cute? Follow these simple steps to achieve true cuteness. Step 1. Nobody can resist a cute giggle. Cuter. Cuter. That's enough. Thank you. Thank you! Step 2. Changes to your style and a little makeup can make all the difference. Step 3. Small things are instantly cuter. So, here, let me help. Wow! Adorable! So, you want to learn how to be posh? Follow these simple steps to find your fanciest pen. Could you move a little? Step 1. Dress to impress. An immaculate appearance is of utmost importance. Step 2. A luxurious moustache is, of course, a necessity. You call that a moustache? Jeez, do I have to do everything myself here? Step 3. If you want to be fancy, raise your pinky. The higher you hold it, the fancier you are. What are you Stop! That's a posh bloke, if I say so myself. Thank you for partaking in A Guide to Self-Improvement. I hope you have learned a lot, and don't forget the most important rule of all. Always be yourself. Hey, where are you going? I was helping you!